Hi everyone! Welcome sa channel ko. Ako nga pala si Janus na Pinoy Techdad, and today meron na naman tayong bagong phone from Vivo, another entry level, and this one is the vivo Y22s na fresh from unboxing pa lang as of the time na shoot ko tong video. So we're gonna take a look. I'm gonna give you my initial impressions and a quick unboxing. And speaking of, tara, gawin na natin yung unboxing after this intro. Alright guys, so yun po yung quick unboxing, and tulad ng sinabi ko, this is just gonna be an initial impressions video dahil kaka-unbox ko lang po talaga ng phone na to. Pero kung gusto nyo naman ng full review, i-hit nyo lang yung like button. Pag umabot tayo ng 1,000 likes, I'll consider doing a full review nitong Y22s. Anyway, let's go check this out. Starting with the ports. So sa baba, meron pa rin tayong 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a USB-C charging port, and a down-firing speaker. Sa kanan naman, nandyan yung power button. On top of it is the fingerprint scanner na super bilis. And then meron ding volume rockers. Sa top side naman, nandyan yung triple card slot natin. Merong dual SIM card slot and a micro SD card slot. So expandable po yung memory nito. At sa kaliwang parte naman ng phone, malinis na malinis po. Okay, so next naman, tingnan na natin yung back panel and yung overall design ng phone na to. So napanood niyo yung mga recent Vivo reviews ko, almost the same pa rin yung design language nila. So very consistent. So meron tayong boxy form factor, pero meron siyang 2.5D na glass design, which means na nakaangat ng konti yung glass niya, yung sa front panel niya. So para sa akin, design-wise, Vivo is really doing a good job, lalo na dito sa mga entry-level phones nila. Lalo na pag nakita nyo yung camera module na symmetrical talaga yung lenses niya. So meron tayong 50 megapixel na lens, yan po yung main highlight. Mamaya pag-usapan natin yan. And then meron din tayong 2 megapixel na macro lens. And yes, wala po siyang ultra-wide. So dual camera setup po ito. And meron din siyang dual LED flash. And looking at the design of the back panel, talagang maganda yung summer cyan colorway. Pero meron din tong starlit blue na colorway. But for me, this is what I really like. And talagang ni-request ko na if they can send me something, it should be this colorway. Yung summer cyan, dahil ewan ko, parang super attractive niya lang talaga tingnan. This is the first time that I've seen this kind of design on an entry-level phone. Now, finally, going back to the front, yung bezel niya dito sa bottom part, medyo thicker siya as compared sa top part or sa sides. So, hindi pa rin siya super symmetrical in terms of yung bezels ng perimeter niya. And also, you can notice na meron pa rin tayong water drop notch. And I'm sure a lot of you will be commenting about that anyway. So, hopefully talaga Vivo will switch to a punch hole design by 2023. So fingers crossed po. Sana po Vivo marinig nyo yung recommendations and suggestions namin. Pero syempre guys, a phone is never just about its design. Dapat maganda rin yung performance. And speaking of, meron tong Snapdragon 680. Pero tulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, kaka-unbox pa lang natin ng phone na to as of this recording. So hindi pa talaga ako nakapag-gaming. Pero dahil nakapag-review na ako ng maraming Snapdragon 680 na phones, I already know what to expect. So alam naman natin na pag gaming, kaya naman ng Snapdragon 680. It's just that you will have to adjust a few of the settings just in case na maramdaman nyo or makita nyo na medyo naglalag na yung game nyo. So bababaan nyo talaga yung graphic settings para lang mas smooth yung gameplay nyo. And then pagdating naman sa overall performance, ang kinaganda lang talaga dito sa Vivo is that malinis naman yung OS nila. So FunTouch OS 12 is really clean. It's on top of Android 12. So hindi po siya stock Android experience, but overall, wala po ako na-experience talaga na bugs. So kung gagamitin mo lang to for typical smartphone activities tulad na lang ng pagtawag, pag-text, pag-browse ng internet or social media or pag-take ng photos and videos, kayang-kaya po yan ng Snapdragon 680. Pwede ka pa mag-open ng maraming apps dito dahil meron ng 8GB of RAM out of the box itong unit na nasa akin. At kung sakali lang guys na kulangin pa rin kayo sa 8GB of RAM, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil sabi ni Vivo meron tong up to 16GB of dynamic RAM, meaning yung 8GB mo madadagdagan pa ng 8GB of virtual RAM. Pero para naman dun sa mga kukuha ng lower version na merong 4GB of RAM, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil meron din po siyang RAM extension. Merong plus 4GB of RAM kung kulang sa inyo yung 4GB of RAM. So magiging total is 8GB of dynamic RAM. Susunod naman po, isa pa sa mga binibida ni Vivo dito is yung 50 megapixel rear camera nito. And so far, dahil hindi ko pa natetest talaga yung camera habang ginagawa ko tong video, may papakita ko lang sa inyo is yung mga samples na nakuha ko after recording this video. So eto po. Alright guys, so battery talk naman po muna tayo. So meron tong 5,000 mAh of battery capacity and 18 watts of fast charging, which means roughly around 1 hour and 20 minutes siguro yung charging time nyo with this phone. Like I said, hindi ko pa po natetest, so hindi ko pa alam yung battery endurance niya. But knowing the Snapdragon 680, medyo maganda po talaga yung performance ng standby time ng chipset na yan. So hindi po siya masyadong malakas mag-drain. So again, kung gusto nyo malaman yung full performance ng vivo Y22s, let me know in the comment section kung dapat bang gawa ng full review ito. Alright guys, so finally, let's talk about the display of the vivo Y22s. So this one has a 6.55-inch IPS LCD panel, pero medyo pang budget level pa rin yung resolution niya kasi it's still 720p. So medyo nakakadismaya lang dahil meron na mga full HD resolution na entry-level phones as well. So maybe by 2023, pagdating ng Y23 na Vivo, baka full HD resolution na ang pwedeng ibigay sa atin. But anyway, aside from that, naka-widevine level 1 pa rin naman to. And kung manonood kayo ng Netflix, surprisingly, HD resolution ang kayang ibigay sa inyo. So that's a good thing, I guess, kahit na 720p lang yung resolution talaga nito. And dahil nga meron siyang 90Hz refresh rate, mas smooth talaga yung experience mo, lalo na kung magbabasa ka ng manga or magbabrowse sa TikTok or social media apps. Goods na goods naman dito. Now, aside from all those things na binanggit ko sa inyo guys, binibida rin ni Vivo na meron tong IP54 dust and waterproof rating. So what that means is that safe ito from dust and water splashes. Now take note however guys, that yung dust and waterproof rating na yan is still lower than IP68. So wag niyo na pong planuhin na ibabad to sa tubig o di kaya dumihan nyo ng napakaraming buhangin. Alright, so magkano nga ba tong vivo Y22s? So this actually starts at 10,999 pesos and then yung higher variant naman niya is 12,999 pesos, yung 8128. Na may dynamic RAM na 16GB. Para naman sa mga possible promos, ipa-flash ko na lang po dito sa screen para makita nyo kung paano kayo makabili nitong vivo Y22s. Lahat po ng links ilalagay ko dyan sa description box. Alright guys, so again, lilinawin ko, hindi po ito yung full review ko on the vivo Y22s. If you guys want to see a full review or gusto nyong gawan ko talaga to ng gaming test or whatever test, let me know in the comment section. And again, i-like nyo lang po itong video na to. Para naman sa initial impressions ko, I like the overall design ng vivo Y22s. It feels like the other phones na na-review ko from Vivo this year so far. And also yung Snapdragon 680 chipset na nilagay nila dito is pretty much a typical Snapdragon chipset na you would expect from a budget level or entry-level phone. So yung performance is very much reliable. However guys, meron akong dalawang specific na gustong makita mag-improve sa future iteration ng Vivo Y20 series. And that's number 1, yung water drop notch. I hope maging punch hole na in the future. And then number 2, yung display niya. So let's go with Full HD na sana para hindi na po tayo naka 720p display pa rin in 2023. So yun lang naman po. How about you guys? Ano po yung gusto nyong sabihin tungkol sa Vivo Y22s? Let me know in the comment section. But anyway, kung gusto mo pang manood ng mga videos ko, ito po yung budget level na in-unbox ko. And then nandito naman po yung collaboration ko with the top tech YouTubers in 2022. So hanggang sa susunod, ako nga pala ulit si Janus ng Pinoy Techdad. Kita-kita ulit tayo.